It has been 6 months since Gartner Intelligence last reported on the packaging and containers industry. In this month's episode, we're going to look at first quarter 2019 actuals, along with Wall Street's projections for the market as recently as April. If your company serves the packaging and containers market, you won't want to miss this month's Market Minute. Wall Street's outlook of the packaging and containers industry has lost some of its luster since the last time we reported on it using third quarter 2018 data. Comparing the outlooks from then and now, we see several important changes related to earnings and revenues. Previously, earnings growth had been expected to peak in late 2019 and early 2020. The new peak is much earlier. In fact, it may already be behind us. In fact, Wall Street thinks it could have been in the fourth quarter of 2018. And now, with slowing earnings growth, Wall Street sees a plateau as early as the first half of 2020. Revenue projections have been similarly modified. Revenue projections starting in 2019 were expected to be at 10% and slowly decelerate from there through the rest of the calendar year. The latest projections as of April show that 2019 revenue growth is going to start off around 4 or 5% this year before hitting 0% growth in mid-2020. If the latest Wall Street projections hold true, then shops that serve the packaging and containers industry as their primary end market customer need to consider ways to diversify. And that's not something new. Gartner Intelligence for years has been talking to some of the best shops in the country. All of them have realized that since the financial crisis, having a revenue diversification strategy in which they look across multiple end markets for their revenues has really been a great play for them. We would suggest that firms that are highly concentrated in this particular end market consider the same strategy. For Gartner Intelligence, I'm Michael Gukas, Chief Economist. Thank you for your time.